Mihira, we're scheduling the laparoscopic cholecystectomy for Mrs. Paul tomorrow. Remember, we're using the new harmonic scalpel. It's precise, but we need to ensure minimal thermal spread to avoid any collateral damage to the biliary duct.
Right, I've read the protocol. We'll use the ultrasonic mode for dissection and the coagulative mode for hemostasis.
Exactly. Also, keep a close eye on the CO2 insufflation pressure. We want optimal visualization without compromising venous return. And don't forget the trocar size matters. The 11 mm for the camera is standard, but we might need a 12 mm for the operative scope if there are any adhesions.
Got it. I've double-checked the instrument tray. We have the full laparoscopic set, including the suction irrigator and the bipolar forceps.
Good. And one last thing, Mihira, Mrs. Paul is slightly jaundiced. We need to be extra cautious during the cystic duct and artery dissection. Any accidental injury can lead to a bile leak or hemorrhage. Those are very important questions, Mihira, and it's good you're asking them. It's natural to want to understand why I think it's a viral infection and to be worried about Emily's irritability and lack of appetite. Let me explain my clinical opinion in a bit more detail to reassure you. So, first of all, remember that a fever itself is actually the body's clever way of fighting off infections, including viruses. It's like the body turning up the heat to make it less comfortable for the virus to thrive. In Emily's case, during my examination, I didn't find any signs that strongly suggest a bacterial infection. For example, she isn't complaining of ear pain, which can be a sign of ear infection, and thankfully, she's breathing comfortably without any difficulty. These are often red flags for bacterial infections in young children. Now, about her irritability and lack of appetite. Yes, it is very common when children have a fever. When they are unwell and their bodies are working hard to fight off the infection, they often become more tired, fussy, and lose their desire to eat. It's just their body focusing on healing. As the infection starts to resolve and her fever comes down, you should see her energy levels improve and her appetite gradually return. For now, to help her feel more comfortable and bring down the fever, I would recommend giving her paracetamol, or acetaminophen, as directed. It's important to follow the correct dosage based on her weight, which I will confirm for you. Does this explanation help ease your mind a bit, and do you have any further questions about why I think it's viral, or about the paracetamol?